Right, okay, now if we go to music, go into music there, click play, and then at the bottom there you see hands-free system. So hands-free system, that's the Mitsubishi system. So what we have to do now, let's just go back, we'll turn that down, it's playing. Now we have to go over here, you've got audio there, if you click audio, let me see, you've got settings and so on, but we want mode. So mode, along there, Bluetooth audio, click Bluetooth audio. That's playing now. So if I turn that up and then quickly, there you go. That's how you stream music from your phone. As I say, if you go to mode, it could well be on any of those other settings there. So you just have to, like medium wave, click mode, back to Bluetooth or DAB or whatever. That's how you do that.